beautiful, wonderful, with a lot of ups and downs. But you wonder, why do I do it? And what benefit have I gotten out of making money online? I've talked about it for 5 years. I've done it for 5 years. Yes, today I'll show you that making money online is beautiful. It brings you a lot of benefits. However, it's not simple as everybody might tell you or as you might think. Welcome back to this Mind Brain video. This is Immaculate on the Immaculate Show. We are going to be showing you, or I'm going to be showing you how what have I been doing to make sure I make money online. When we are talking about making money online, it's something very broad, but in this video I'll be cutting it down to a smartphone and social media platforms. So by the way, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial consultant. No, I'm not telling you that if you start making money online, you are going to be a buoyant. You are going to have things of your dreams. It will bring your dream come true. Vehicle, houses, lifestyle. No, I'm giving you less than 10%. You are going to go and study, do whatever you want to do, and come. If you try it and it works, it's okay. I'm giving you the tips that the few people have used, that the ones I've used. I withdraw almost every 21st to 26th. I withdraw money, which I call it side income, but the one someone out there can try and replace it with a main job. In other words, I'm telling you, the money from my online making, my presence online can pay my bills on a monthly basis. So how do I do it? But before, do you know, I would love to thank all my engagers, people who engage our posts, people who make us come every day. One of the engine and the key to making money online with your smartphone is engagement. Meaning that you should be giving a product out there, you should be giving a solution, you should be let people find something value from what they watch, what they have. However, you might be there. This is where we come up and say it is not simple. You might give something very valuable, you might give something very good, but people don't take it. There are also other things that you need to learn. So how have I been making money online? I've been making money online in different ways. On social media platform, that is the first point, or the first source I can tell you. Social media platforms here, I majorly earn from AdSense or monetization, content monetization and AdSense earning. It means what I put, like this video you're watching, no one is going to give me money apart from the system, apart from the advertisers who directly come from Google. So I'm not getting it from anywhere. But the moment you watch, the moment you engage, the moment you do any reaction, you comment, you share, there is something that adds on my account. So in this social media platform, I have two major platforms that I earn from. There are three majorly, but the two are the top ones. I'm going to rate them by percentage. Like YouTube, I rate it as 80% of the income that I get on a monthly basis for some years. So you will ask, how do you get it? The same way I post and I get money out of my content, my education content, my entertainment content, whatever I put there. Is it in form of shorts or in the form of long videos like this one? I make money. That one, I gave it that percentage because it's the mother of all. I started with it up to now. Then with the Facebook, I also contributed. Facebook I earn in different ways, but also majorly the bigger percent I earn from content monetization. Like the content you see, I'll post it there. I can post it in reels, I post it in photos, I post it in text, I post it even in the form of stories. I earn from there. So most of the money I've gotten from Facebook, I get it from reels and photos. When we go to text, and we also look at other sources, the percentage is less than 20%. So I get content monetization fully from Facebook. Then another social media platform that I've earned from is TikTok. TikTok I've gotten from content monetization, and I've also gotten from gifts. So but for it, I give it a very small percentage, like less than 20%, contributing to my my monthly income or daily income. Because of some reason, one, TikTok, just I came to discover the secret recently, but the region I'm in, it is not on content monetization. So mostly people get from, and we get from stars and other things. So that is the one way I've earned from online, making money online with my smartphone. So anytime you see Immaculate or Christine handling her phone, you may know she's making money. Then the way I've made money online is by using different platforms, as in terms of doing tasks. I began with different tasks. There are different platforms I operate. Like for example, I do tasks. I do, like, instead when I feel like I want to play a game, I go to some platforms, and this one majorly is paid work. Paid work has different ways of earning money. However much it's for beginners, it brings a little amount of money, but you can get for like make sure that you have pocket money. You can afford to go out with your friends and give them some mocktail and other things, and also making sure that your presence with your phone, or on your phone and data and Wi-Fi, is not in vain, is not only to consume, and at least you get something. Instead of watching China Uganda or Netflix when you're not paid, you rather go there, you watch something. So that is the second way I've been earning. The third one, there are platforms that I've been using to do surveys, and the fourth one, they also the platforms that I've used to upload my ebook. So but those ones I've not yet earned a bit of much. To give you a tip, as we conclude this video, it is not as easy as we might think, as we might hear, making money online, like any other project, like any other business. One will wonder, why have you been consistent for all this long? Why have you been coming all for this long? One, I had a reason for me to start making money online. So it has been my engine, it has been my fuel, because I know there is a reason why I should be present. So consistency has helped me to make sure I make money. 2, motivation, self-motivation. I've not gone on emotions, because when you go to be motivated, when maybe you're feeling down, you're doing this, you feel down, you will not do it. So I've been having that focus. I always say, if I can wake up and I have to make a cup of tea, it's a must. I have to eat. If I have to eat, it means I have to be present, because I want money. Then I make sure, and underline this, I make sure I follow my schedule. Because what I came to know, poverty is a bastard. And with poverty, it always disorganizes your schedules. And the moment it takes your schedules, you're finished. So this is simple, precise, hard, like any other project that out there. God bless you. See you in another video.